In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable microphone on ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give the website permission so you can speak to ChatGPT instead of typing. Here's the idea. Your browser won't let any site use your microphone unless you say it's okay. The quickest way to grant that permission is from the address bar at the very top of your browser window. Look all the way to the far left of the address bar for the site info icon. In most browsers, it looks like a small padlock. Click that icon to open a small panel. This panel shows the site's permissions. Find the entry labeled microphone. If it's set to blocked or ask, change it to allow. That's the key change that turns on microphone access for ChatGPT in your current browser. After you switch it to allow, your browser may prompt you to reload the page so the new setting can take effect. If you see a message asking to refresh, go ahead and accept. Some browsers do this automatically, others wait until you reload. Either way, once the page comes back, the permission is active. If you previously denied microphone access, you might also notice a tiny microphone or camera icon appear inside the address bar. Clicking that icon opens a quick control where you can flip the permission to allow. It's the same setting, just another place to reach it. The goal is simply to make sure the microphone permission for the ChatGPT site is set to allow. A few helpful tips. If you use a headset or external microphone, plug it in before you change the permission. Browsers usually remember the device that was available when you granted access, which helps avoid confusion later. If you have more than one microphone, your browser will use the default one. You can switch devices from the browser's audio picker when the site is actively listening, but granting permission first is what unlocks voice input in the first place. If you don't immediately see microphone listed in the site info panel, close the panel and click the padlock again while you're on the ChatGPT page, not another tab or a different site. Also, make sure the site has finished loading. Permissions often appear as soon as the page is fully ready. That's all there is to it. Open the site info from the far left icon in the address bar, set microphone to allow, confirm any prompts, and refresh if asked. You're now ready to speak to ChatGPT.